Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you deactivate Instagram account. So to deactivate Instagram account, at first just launch your Instagram app. Now after that click the bottom right your profile icon. Now after that click the top right the three dash icon and click on account center, and after that in the account settings click on personal details, the second option. Here you can see account ownership and control, the last option, click on it and click on deactivation or deletion. Click on your account, and here you can see there are two options here. The first option is deactivate account and the second option is delete account. In this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So I'm going to choose the first option, and after choosing it click on continue. Now all you need to do is just give your Instagram password here, and after that just click on continue, and by that your Instagram account will be deactivated. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Tip channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.